Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Maths Note in the calculator app to solve equations. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your iPad. Now this video is shown on the iPad. So we are going to open the calculator app. And once when you're here, let me just show you. This is the basic uh, calculator app that we have. So we are going to click here and then we are going to click here on Maths Note. So once when we are here, you have to click on the pencil icon above. Now this is the sidebar that we can hold and drag and put it where we feel convenient. I'll put it right here. So if you want to use this, what you have to do is you have to select one of these pencils that you find the most suitable. I'm going to select this. And you can write a calculation here, an equation, for example. Here you go. This is how easy as it is. You can use any other equations as well if you want, and the maths note will solve it for you. For example, here you go. It is as simple as it is. You can add a bit more complex equations as well if you want, like this. Here you go. It's zero point 0.8. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.